Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. It is a new month, which means it is time for another unboxing of my favorite subscription box that I have received thus far in my lifetime, and that is the Boxycharm boxes. Here they are here. We've got the February 2022 Boxycharms. We've got the base box and the premium box this month. I'm so excited to unbox these. They do feel quite heavy, so I'm curious as to see what is inside of them. I have received so many great products in these boxes. I know I sound like a broken record. I say this every month when I unbox these boxes, but literally like most of the stuff on my face right now, I have discovered through Boxycharm. My Huda Beauty lip gloss is from Boxycharm. I have a Wander Beauty eyeshadow palette on right now from Boxycharm. Seriously, I've discovered so many great products in these boxes that I absolutely love, so I'm excited to open these. If you are new here, I receive these boxes complimentary every month from Boxycharm to share with you guys what is inside. So if you're looking to try out some new makeup but don't really know where to begin, starting with these boxes is great because you're paying just one fee a month for these boxes, whereas if you were buying these products a la carte, you'd be paying hundreds of dollars, and we don't want that. So in any case, we're going to unbox, we're going to get right into it, and let's do it. So we're going to start with the base box, which I'm just going to assume is the smaller box. I know it's bad to assume, but I'm just going to go off on a whim and say it is the smaller box. It is. Okay, so here is what we've got inside here. We've got our card, which says this month's theme is Be My Glam-entine. So here it is here. And then we don't need that. And then we've got some good stuff in here. It looks like we got a lot of big products. I don't know what they are, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so let's start with whatever this is in the bubble wrap. Okay, it is from Ace Beauty. It is their Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. Now, I have received a blush palette from Ace Beauty before that I absolutely loved. I use it all the time and it's a great blush palette. So I'm excited to have a highlight palette to go with it. Let's see what it looks like. So here is the palette. The plastic just fell out. That's okay, we don't need that. Oh, okay. So we have some really nice highlights here. It is a 6-pan palette. I really like these. These are like very shimmery and bright. And it says here, the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. The Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette is all you need to get your glow on. Each shade is buildable and easily glides on the skin, giving you a seamless glowing look. And it is worth $40, and this is actually a new launch. So if you're unfamiliar, Boxycharm often has new launches in their boxes, so you'll be one of the first to try these products from these different brands. They also often have Boxy exclusives, which will be products that you can only receive in Boxycharm boxes. So yes, this is a new launch. I'm super excited to try it out, and it's a $40 palette. So already right off the bat with one product, we are getting our money's worth. Okay, so next we have a brand, Alley-Oop. I've never heard of this brand before, but this is the Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. Okay, 4 essential brushes in one. That is interesting. I love getting new brushes. I actually have a lot of like double-sided brushes from Whoosh Beauty that I absolutely love. I actually talk in some recent articles that I've written on my website, which you can find at unbreakablebliss.com, and there'll be a link in the description below. I actually talk about how like nowadays, if you can get a product that has more than one use that is like versatile, that is so beneficial, because if you are trying to be like minimalistic and not having 19 million brushes and you want, you know, a handful that can do multiple things, that's awesome. So again, I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm excited to see. Oh, okay, this is neat. I don't have anything like this. So here we've got, let's see, it says that there's 4 brushes in one here. So we've got a powder contour brush, which I'm going to assume is this top one. We've got a blending sponge, here it is here, and then inside we have, so if you open it up, we have 2 more brushes on the inside. We have a medium shadow brush and an angled brow or liner brush. So this is really great if you're like traveling, because then you have everything you need in one tool and you're taking up way less space in your luggage. So this is super awesome. Additionally, on the box here, it says that it is vegan, latex free, and cruelty free, which is always a plus. And it says here, Alley-Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush, an award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, blush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. Each is made of premium synthetic fibers and is worth $28. So that's actually really good value for something like this because you're getting 4 brushes in one. So that's really awesome. Okay, so next we have a brand that I've heard of before but I haven't tried before, and it is OPV Beauty. It is their translucent loose setting powder. Here it is here. I received a loose setting powder, I don't know if it was the last box or the box before, from Bare Minerals, and I don't really have a lot of loose setting powders, so this is great. So I really like their packaging, super chic, looks very glamorous. Here's the powder here, and it is just their translucent powder, which is awesome. And it says here, the OPV Beauty Loose Setting Powder, perfect for setting your foundation or wearing alone. Whether you rely on setting powder to mattify, set, conceal, or diffuse, this formula acts as a finishing touch to bring your whole look together. It's worth $22. That's actually a really good price for a container this big. Next we have something from Bally Balm. It is their pineapple lip scrub. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm excited to try this out. I need a new lip scrub. I'm running out of mine. And the last one that I have is actually from a Boxycharm box as well. So here it is here. This kind of reminds me of something you would get from like the Body Shop. Like that's what their packaging reminds me of. Ooh, it smells so good. It really does smell like pineapple. So it says here, the Bally Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. This rich, indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugar cane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus an ultra smoothing blend of the finest botanicals. The super hydrating coconut oil and aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, and vanilla essential oils will leave your lips soft and supple. It's worth $23, and this is also a new launch. So we've got 2 new launches in one box, which is great. I think that is so awesome. So this last product is from a brand that I have received in a Boxycharm box before. Previously I received, I think it was like a pumpkin face mask, which I thought was so good. I loved it. It was like an exfoliating mask. And it says that this is their tone up primer. It is the Essential Glow tone up primer. It is from the brand Yensa. Here it is here. Let's see. So I've used, like I said, I used a mask from them before, which actually came in like this identical packaging but bigger in orange, but I haven't used any makeup or anything from them, so I'm curious to see what this is like. And it says here, the Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This primer is the perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow. Infused with 8 super-powered skin-loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. The lightweight satin sheen formula creates an invisible skin-perfecting finish and is worth $35. So this box actually turned out to be quite good as far as the value goes. So what I'm going to do is, here is everything inside the box here. Organize it here, and what I'll do is I will add it all up and let you know the total value of this box. So the total value of this box is $148. I feel like that's a great price or a great value for this box when you're only paying like $30 for the box, which is awesome. You got a good mix of, well, actually this box kind of leaned more on the makeup heavy side rather than skincare heavy side, which it's different each month. And I feel like I've said this last month, but the months leading up to Christmas and the warmer months I feel like are often more skincare heavy. So I'm more than happy to get more makeup in the winter months because that's when I tend to wear makeup more, is in the colder months where I'm not sweating it all off. But still, I think it is awesome that we got some makeup, we've got some skincare, and we got even a makeup tool, which is super awesome. So that was the base box. So next, let us unbox the premium box. So this box is a bit bigger, which means there's probably a product in here that is like a bigger size that wouldn't fit in a smaller box. So let's see. There's the box. I'm knocking everything over here. Again, the theme is Be My Glam-entine. We've got some paper that we don't need. Oh God, oh man. Okay, we've got some bubble wrap that we don't need, and I see now why it is in a bigger box. Okay, so let's start with the product that I dropped, which I'm actually super excited about, and so sad that I dropped it. Hopefully I didn't damage it. But it is the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. And like I said, the lip product that I have on, or the lip color I have on right now is Huda Beauty. I got that in a Boxycharm as well, and it's one of my favorite lip colors, like of all time. I love it. So I'm so excited to try this palette. Let's see. It is here. Even just the packaging like makes me so excited. Ooh, okay, this is beautiful. I don't have many palettes with like a color story like this. I feel like so often you get palettes that look very similar, but this one doesn't. We've got nice shimmer shades, nice glittery shades, nice matte shades. We got all kinds of stuff in here. This is a huge palette too. We've got what? 3, 6, 9. We've got 18 shades here. That's a lot. And for those who are familiar with different beauty brands, we know that Huda Beauty is like a pretty, like, I wouldn't say a luxury brand, but like it's a pretty, like, I don't know, an upper end brand. So that's exciting to receive this in this box. And it says here, the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde Eyeshadow Palette. Take your look to infinity and beyond with 18 cosmic shades. With both bold and neutral shades, this palette delivers infinite possibilities and is worth $67. So this palette right here is $67. You're not paying anywhere near that much for this box. So this is awesome. Okay, so next we have a product from a brand that I haven't heard of this brand before. It's Christophe Robin Paris. I almost wanted to say Christopher Robin, like Winnie the Pooh. But this is their instant volumizing leave-in mist with rose water. It says uplifted roots and fuller lengths. Okay, so we got a hair care product. You don't get hair care products quite often in these boxes, but like once in a while they'll throw one in, which is exciting. So it says here, the Christophe Robin instant volume mist with rose water. This mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy to style hold. Using a delicate rose blend and fused formula with baobab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater, this mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. It's worth $39, and this is a new brand to Boxy. So that means this is the first time that Boxycharm has included anything from this brand in one of their boxes. So I'm excited to try it. I hope it's good, and then Boxycharm continues to add their brand. Okay, so next is a brand that I haven't heard of before, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to pronounce this. It's Uoma, U-O-M-A Beauty. And it is their Badass MF Matte Filler Lip Liner. So I don't want to, you know, say the whole thing because I don't want YouTube to flag me, but here is here. This is neat. I really like their packaging. It is the shade Angelo. Here is here. Here is super pretty shade. Let me try and get closer. Swatch it. Here is like a nice like brown shade. I really like that. I feel like there's been quite a few lip liners in Boxycharm recently, which is okay with me because I feel like that means they're paying attention to the trends, because lip liners have actually been, like, I feel like for a while they kind of like went by the wayside and not many people were using them, but they've definitely come back in trend and like everybody's using lip liners again. So it says here, the Uoma Beauty Badass MF Lip Liner. Shape and fill in your lips to add definition and structure with these highly pigmented, silky smooth lip liners designed to be worn with your favorite lipstick shade. It is worth $16, and this is also a new brand to Boxy. So just like from a glance on this paper, it looks like most of the brands in this box are new to Boxy, so that's awesome. Okay, so here's a cool product. It is from the brand Vike. Again, I haven't heard of this brand before. One of the best things I love about Boxycharm is discovering all these new brands, or new to me brands that I end up loving. So this is their Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover Spray. It is like a makeup melt. Here it is here. So I, a few months ago, received one from Patrick Starr's brand, One Size, which was also in a Boxycharm box. I think it is so awesome. Like, it is such an awesome spray. My problem is, like, I have very dry skin and I feel like it's drying. Like, I feel like my skin is just too dry for it. But nonetheless, it is a very awesome product. So I'm excited to see if this one is going to do the same thing to my skin, or if it's a little bit better with my dry skin. But it says here, Vite Beauty Makeup Melt, a makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads are needed. Simply spray and Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. It's worth $24, and this is also a new brand to Boxy. $24, like, this is a huge bottle, and it's heavy too, so like I feel like that's a good price. Okay, 2 more products to go, starting with the brand Moonlit, which is another brand that I haven't heard of before, and it is their Primed for the Night eyeshadow primer. So I have yet to find an eyeshadow primer that I really like. Maybe this will be the one, we'll just have to see. I tend to just use concealer. I really like this packaging. This reminds me of like a mascara. Okay, so it's on like a wand, like kind of like a lip gloss, but it's not for your lips, it's an eyeshadow primer. I'm really excited to try this out. I'll definitely have to let you guys know if this is the eyeshadow primer that finally gets me to like eyeshadow primer. As always, when I find a product that I really like, I always share it to my Instagram stories to let you guys know what I'm using and what I'm loving, so definitely follow me on there if you don't already. But it says here, Moonlit Makeup Primed for the Night. An eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night and enjoy vibrant, lasting color wherever your adventure leads. This is worth $18, and this is a new launch. So if you haven't tried this out and you get this Boxycharm, you're going to be one of the first to try it, so I'm excited. Okay, and the last product is from a brand that I've received in Boxycharm a number of times before. It is the brand Aceology, and this is their Rose Quartz Gua Sha Facial Massager. I actually don't have one of these, and I've been wanting one, so this is exciting. Let me see, how do I open it? It is in a nice little baggie. Oh, the bag's just on top of it. So here it is here. Super cool. I'm excited about this. Ooh, okay. This feels like really good quality. I don't want to do it now because I have makeup on, but I'm excited to use this. Okay, so it says here the Aceology Rose Quartz Gua Sha Facial Massager. I don't know if I'm saying that right. More than a luxurious end to a masking sesh, the Gua Sha boosts skin's radiance, firms, and smooths skin, reduces fine lines, and stimulates blood circulation. It's worth $45. So that's actually quite a pretty penny for a tool as small as it is, but if it works, it's worth it. Okay, so here is everything that was inside the premium box. Let me add it all up and I'll tell you the value of this box. So the value of the premium box was $209, which I think is absolutely awesome for the price that you pay. And it had some really neat products inside. Like, I'm actually really pleased with this month, especially that Huda Beauty palette, because I know I'll get so much use out of that. Even if I'm just playing with it inside and not going anywhere, it's so much fun to play with new eyeshadow. But in any case, I think these boxes were awesome. I'm really excited about these products. I can't wait to use them. I love that they came with a variety of things this month. Like, we literally got everything. We got makeup, we got skincare, we got hair care, and we got makeup and skincare tools, which is great. So as always, if you have more questions or want to know more about the Boxycharm box, you can either leave a comment down below and I will answer, or you can check out the link in my description down below, and I go more into detail about the Boxycharm boxes on my website, and then I also link on there the comparison chart if you are like, I want to subscribe but don't know which box to subscribe to. That comparison chart is so helpful, and honestly, if you decide you want to subscribe to both, that's great too, because you, like you just saw, you get different products in each box every month, so you don't have to worry about getting duplicate products in the boxes. And if my math is correct, I believe next month is a Luxe box month, so that would mean 3 boxes if they send me 3 boxes. I kind of am just super grateful for whatever they send me, but I believe March is a Luxe box month, so we'll have to see. But in any case, if you have any questions, like I said, about Boxycharm or any other subscription boxes that you want me to try out, I can, let me know and I can try and get my hands on them. And as always, if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media at Brie Cutter. And until next time, see you guys.